The job description of a carpenter centers on constructing, repairing, and installing wooden structures and fixtures in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Carpenters are skilled tradespeople who work with various materials such as wood, plywood, drywall, and sometimes metals or plastics to build frameworks, furniture, cabinetry, and other essential components. Their craftsmanship directly impacts the quality, safety, and aesthetics of buildings and products. Carpenters are integral members of construction teams, renovation projects, and maintenance crews. Their expertise spans reading blueprints, measuring accurately, cutting materials, and assembling parts with precision. The role requires a blend of manual dexterity, technical knowledge, and problem-solving ability to bring architectural designs to life or restore damaged structures. Primary responsibilities of a carpenter. Carpenters are responsible for interpreting project plans and blueprints to determine the specifications and materials required for a job. This initial step ensures that all dimensions and structural needs align with design standards and client expectations. Once plans are understood, carpenters prepare materials by measuring, cutting, shaping, and joining wood and other building components. They use a variety of hand tools like saws, hammers, chisels, and power tools such as nail guns, drills, and sanders. Accurate cutting and assembly are critical to ensure that components fit correctly and the finished product is sturdy and safe. Carpenters build and install frameworks, including walls, floors, doors, windows, and staircases. They also construct cabinets, shelves, counters, and furniture pieces as part of interior finishing work. Installation tasks often require carpenters to work with other trades, such as electricians or plumbers, to integrate different building systems. Repair and maintenance work is another important responsibility. Carpenters assess damage to wooden structures, replace worn or broken parts, and restore surfaces by sanding, refinishing, or painting. Preventive maintenance helps extend the lifespan of buildings and reduces safety hazards. Site preparation and cleanup fall within a carpenter's duties. They ensure that the workspace is safe, organized, and free of debris. Compliance with safety standards and proper handling of tools and materials protects both the carpenter and co-workers from accidents. Effective communication is essential. Carpenters collaborate with project managers, architects, and clients to clarify project requirements, provide progress updates, and suggest improvements. They may also supervise apprentices or helpers, providing guidance and training on tool use and techniques. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Successful carpenters possess strong manual dexterity and hand-eye coordination to handle tools and materials precisely. Physical stamina is required since the job involves standing, bending, lifting heavy items, and working in various weather conditions. Technical skills include proficiency with carpentry tools and machinery, blueprint reading, and knowledge of construction materials and methods. The ability to make precise measurements and cuts is critical to ensuring structural integrity and aesthetic quality. Problem-solving skills help carpenters adapt to unexpected challenges on site, such as design changes, material shortages, or difficult installation conditions. Creativity is often needed to develop custom solutions or fine-tune details. Attention to detail ensures that work is neat, accurate, and meets safety codes and building regulations. Carpenters take pride in craftsmanship that balances functionality and appearance. Good communication and teamwork skills facilitate coordination with other construction professionals and clients. Patience and professionalism help maintain productive relationships and resolve conflicts when they arise. A strong safety mindset is mandatory. Carpenters must consistently follow personal protective equipment guidelines, handle tools safely, and adhere to occupational safety regulations to minimize the risk of injury. Work environment and challenges. Carpenters work in diverse environments, including construction sites, homes, commercial buildings, and workshops. The job often requires working outdoors or in unfinished buildings, exposing workers to weather conditions such as heat, cold, rain, or dust. The physical demands of carpentry can be taxing, requiring endurance and care to avoid repetitive strain injuries. Working with power tools and heavy materials also involves inherent risks, so safety vigilance is critical. Carpenters frequently face project deadlines and budget constraints, which require efficient time management and resourcefulness. Coordinating with multiple stakeholders and adjusting to last-minute design changes can be challenging but essential for project success. The role may involve irregular hours, including evenings or weekends, especially during peak construction periods. Travel to different job sites is common, which demands flexibility and adaptability. Despite these challenges, many carpenters find the profession rewarding due to the tangible results of their labor and opportunities for creativity. The ability to see a project progress from raw materials to a finished structure provides a strong sense of accomplishment, training, qualifications, and career advancement. The job description of a carpenter typically requires a high school diploma or equivalent, though vocational training or apprenticeship programs are the primary routes into the trade. Apprenticeships combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction, covering safety, blueprint reading, tool operation, and building codes. Certification or licensing requirements vary by region, but often involve completing a set number of training hours and passing competency exams. Continuous education helps carpenters stay updated on new materials, techniques, and safety standards. Experienced carpenters can specialize in areas such as framing, finishing, cabinetry, or restoration work. Many advance to supervisory roles, project management, or open their own contracting businesses. Developing skills in computer-aided design, CAD, or construction management software can broaden career opportunities. Leadership abilities and business knowledge support advancement into estimating, purchasing, or training roles within the construction industry. Conclusion: the job description of a carpenter highlights a versatile and hands-on profession essential to building and maintaining the structures that shape our environments. Carpenters combine technical skill, creativity, and physical effort to construct, repair, and finish woodwork that meets functional and aesthetic demands. This role requires dedication to craftsmanship, safety, and teamwork. Carpenters often work in dynamic settings where adaptability and problem-solving are key to overcoming challenges and delivering quality results. For individuals who enjoy practical work, problem-solving, and seeing immediate outcomes from their efforts, the carpentry profession offers fulfilling and stable career paths. With proper training and experience, carpenters can achieve career growth and contribute significantly to the construction and renovation industries. Through their skilled hands and precise work, carpenters help build not only physical structures but also the foundation for homes, businesses, and communities to thrive.